today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record purchase ads invoices and their impacts on accounts in Xero. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure you feel comfortable and confident using the platform. Let's get started by opening up the Xero website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the hub where you can access all the features Xero has to offer. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. This handy button is your gateway to creating new transactions, so go ahead and give it a click. Now, from the menu that appears, you'll want to select Bill. This option allows you to record purchase invoices, which is an essential part of managing your business's accounts payable. You will now be directed to a new page where you can enter all the necessary details about the invoice you wish to record. The first thing you'll see is a field for the supplier's name. Enter the name of the supplier from whom you've received the invoice. If this is a recurring supplier, Xero might auto-fill the details as you type, which saves time and ensures consistency. After you've entered the supplier's name, turn your attention to the date field. This is where you'll put the date listed on the invoice itself. It's important to make sure this is accurate, as it will affect your financial reporting. Next, you'll need to enter the due date. This is crucial for managing your cash flow, so you know exactly when you need to pay the supplier. Keeping this information up to date helps you avoid any late fees and maintain healthy supplier relationships. You'll also see a field labeled Reference. Here, you can enter any reference number or code associated with the invoice. This can be helpful for tracking purposes, especially if you need to refer back to this transaction in the future. Make sure that you include any reference that would make it easier to identify the invoice later on. Next, ensure that the correct currency is selected. This is especially important if you deal with international suppliers. Double-checking this can prevent any currency conversion errors that might occur. After all this detailed entry work, taking a moment to look over the information you've inputted is worthwhile. Ensure it's both accurate and complete. Mistakes here can lead to larger issues in your financial records later on. Once you're satisfied that all the details are accurate and told complete, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. By saving, you are officially recording this purchase invoice in your Xero system. This action will help you manage your expenses and prepare your accounts for any necessary reporting. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to record purchase invoices in Xero and understand their impact on your accounts. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Xero tips and tricks.